Welcome. In the next 10 minutes, you're going to watch as I create 7 websites for 7 different industries. The first website we're going to create is a landing page. We'll start by generating a prompt that instructs the AI on exactly the kind of websites we need. Now, go to Gemini at gemini.google.com. Then paste the prompt into the prompt box. A prompt is simply the instruction you give the AI about the kind of website you want, similar to how you would tell a web developer what kind of site you want them to create for you. You can see what this one says. I want you to become an expert UI/UX designer, proficient in HTML, JavaScript, Tailwind CSS, etc. Generate is sleek, modern single-page luxury real estate website. The design must feature a large, high-resolution, and so on. You don't need to rack your brain to create your prompt. There's a simple way to generate the exact prompt that will give you the kind of website you want, for free. Make sure you select Canvas from the Tools option. Now, I'll submit the prompt. Gemini will analyze the prompt and begin writing the code. When it's done, just switch from the code view to the preview. This is a beautiful website built in just a few minutes. Just look at how professional it looks. Here's an image placeholder where you can upload a headshot of your customer service agent. It also has a pop-up form for collecting your site visitors' names and email addresses. Okay, time to generate our second website. I'll paste the next prompt into the prompt box. Let's see what this one says. Create a minimalist, mobile-responsive e-commerce storefront for sustainable leather goods. The site must include a high-density, filterable product gallery that uses aspect square image placeholders. I'll go ahead and submit it. Remember to ensure Canvas is selected and then submit. And there it is. Here are the image placeholders where you can add the leather goods you're selling on the website. You can see the buttons to add any item you want to the cart. Okay, on to the next one. I'll paste in the prompt. It says, design a vibrant, high-energy personal coaching brand website for a business strategist. Include a dedicated, full-width section for 3 video testimonials with image placeholders. Look at that. And look at the written content. Before, you would pay a web designer to create your site and then pay a copywriter for the content. But now, with a single prompt, you get a professional website and captivating content. On to the next one. Here's the prompt. Develop a dark, moody, and elegant website for a farm-to-table restaurant. I'll just submit it. Not bad for just a few minutes of work. Next, we're going to build a game, similar to the classic Brick Breaker. Here's the prompt. Design and code a single-file, mobile-responsive version of the classic Breakout or Bricks game. The prompt includes other specific instructions for the AI to build the game. I'll submit it now, and let's see what it produces. Done. Let's open the game and see what we've got. Okay, this looks nice. This brings back memories. I remember playing this game back in the day. Time to play a little. I love this. This is just crazy.
Let's pause here for a moment so you can get some practice in. Go to kosoya.com/prompts. Copy any one of the prompts you see there. Then click the Go to Gemini button right here. Remember to select Canvas and then paste and submit the prompt. Once the website is created, screenshot it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Do that now. I'll be available for just 1 hour to review your work. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.